So here we are checking in on our garden today. It's a gorgeous day in Maine. We had some thunderstorms last night, so it doused the garden with rain. But let's take a look at what's going on in here. As you can see, we're not the best weeders. And some of these squash plants got some of that powdery mildew. We cut some of those back. But we harvested some zucchini and some eggplant. Take a look at our Instagram page if you want to see the eggplant we got yesterday. This is the lemon balm and mint. Really exploding. Some weeds in there. Let's see what we got going for eggplant here. Ooh, look at those guys. They're getting ready. There's a few on the vine here. Lovely. There's another one there. And there. It's going to be nice. It did have some Japanese beetle damage. Those guys are gone. We got some green peppers here. They're small, but they are doing good. Basil. Cilantro did not do well. Look at it. That was the end of that. But we got the flat leaf parsley. And here come the tomatoes. This hoop does not like what we've done here. But we've got some beautiful tomatoes getting ready. We harvested a bunch yesterday. We've been eating the cherry tomatoes. But look at that. Lots ready. These two guys are almost ready. Can't really see them. There they are. Our neighbors haven't harvested their lettuce. It's growing like Christmas trees. But they've got some cucumbers. Also, they've got grape tomatoes. They're doing a nice job. I love gardening. It's so wonderful. Hope everybody else is having a great season as well.